here. Today I'm going to ride my bike, but I'm going to take you with me. Let's go. I put all my pads in here because I don't need them no more. Okay. Let me get this. I'm going to scoot back a little and then go forward a little. Oh no, I'm going to take this back a lot. It doesn't matter how much forward I go. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Bad start. Here we go. Oh, I know this is bumpy. I can't see the camera, but wow, the moon is out. I wish you guys could see this. Now I'm going to go the way I don't normally go. I always go up through here and around, but I'm going to go the opposite way. Like, you see up here, that little thing? I usually just turn and go that way, but I'm going to go straight this time. Let's start going now. Oh, there's a big power line up here. Sorry the sound of my bike is like that, but I don't want to make it this time. I need to get over here, away from the bed. Let me tell you some tips as we go along. You don't want to go too fast, but you also don't want to go too slow or you'll just fall over. And if you go too fast, you won't be able to turn. And also, when you turn, don't turn like so hard, because then you'll eventually fall over because it's like you can't make that good of a turn. So if you just turn like that, that makes you turn really well. So watch, I'm gonna make a sharp turn here, but I'm not gonna make it like I told you not to. I'm just gonna make it like I told you to. Right here. See how that works out. Take this up and like and subscribe and give us big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.